Hello, mom, sir. I'm going to introduce myself and telling about my skills and I am Leonel Villarreal and I'm already 22 years old and currently living at Purok Angela, Barangay de la Paz, Antipolo City. And I am a graphic designer that I can do Photoshop, uh, Illustrator, some Premiere and Filmora. I can edit photo, video, uh, what do you call that? T-shirt design and moving object on one frame like that, and motion graphic like that, and my past work is graphic designer on Victory Jumps, that company. I worked that almost 1 year, and our relationship with my boss is so good, and they're, uh, they're so very religious. And I currently studying at MPC with course of drafting technology, and that course is very perfect to me because it's it drawing drawing and painting, like I can do portrait and painting naman, and like sometimes I have commission on portraiting, editing photo, video. I'm gonna uh, uh, I have good communication with my all clients on the past. Yeah, they are all goods. It's hard, but you know, I'm a student. My time is managing. Yeah, and my